Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
You will have your chance, Guido. You will have your chance.
Guido, it's time.
Miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man, now I got dirt in my wheels.
You're going to love them so much! Do you think so? I'm so excited to give them their Turunkan aku!
Fertilizer on a field of dying grass.
You are a sight for sawing headlights! I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Matt, I
Here. Mama! Don't worry, Mama. The queen is very sad.
If you're implying that I switched out that rot good excuse...
Right, if you can drive as good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes shut.
Laugh it up. Real fun.
Boy, we ain't as dumb as you think we are.
But how did you...
My life, when I started news, when I was racing school, and
like this in here.
well, then let's cruise, baby.
Low and slow.
What is he talking about?
It was you leaking oil at the party in Japan. You just blamed it on me.
The idea is to keep a low profile meter.
Oh, right. Wooden brake blocks. How could I forget? With all the lessons of sun.
In over 50 years.
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio.
I think I touched a nerve.
Then win. Francesco always wins. It's a bonus.
I gotta tell you, dude, you were in trouble for a while.